Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates.
We are going to discuss about glucose intolerance and how it affects in women's health. Let me asking you one question. Who are all not able to take glucose rich food? That's mainly carbohydrate rich foods. For first of all, diabetic patients, they are limited for this glucose rich food. And second is ovarian cyst. If any woman who have ovarian cyst and some diseases like PCOD, if women have any fibroid uterus, if their thyroid gland enlargement, all these conditions are due to hyperinsulinemia or glucose intolerance. Most women went to gynecologist if they show any symptoms. Often the gynecologist suggests to reduce their weight and control their diet. Mainly these two things are advised by gynecologists to the patients as home remedies. And sometimes at the same time they will give some medications to reduce the symptoms. But if you are at first stage of ovarian cyst, any other disease condition, you can control this condition by limiting your diet. By proper diet technique, you can control your disease conditions. By following proper diet technique, you can control your ovarian cyst and so many gynecological problems. Did anyone know about hyperinsulinemia? It's a main conditions that increases the growth of ovarian cyst. What happens when you take more glucose rich food? Simply your blood glucose level increases, but at the same time your body's ovarian cyst also increases. How? When you take more glucose rich food, our body will try to produce more insulin in our body. The main function of the insulin is to reduce our blood glucose level, but it has another functions that mainly helps in growth. So even if you take more glucose rich food, your ovarian cyst that also become the part of a growth. Okay, so your body's ovarian cyst and thyroid enlargement, all these things may tend to grow heavily. For some persons, they try to reduce their glucose rich food taking, but at the same time, if that person take a small piece of a cake, that will also helps to increase the blood glucose level. Automatically our insulin production increases and that will leads to glucose intolerance, and if you have any overdoses, that will also increases. So friends, if your body sends signals like increasing your body weight, and if you have increased menstruation and any dysmenorrhea, any hormonal alterations, any ovarian cyst, as much as these are all due to glucose intolerance. If you are taking too much glucose rich foods in your daily life, that will also increases your ovarian cyst growth. So if you try to control these glucose rich foods in your daily life, you can control your main diseases like ovarian cyst and diabetes and so much problems that women are facing. My suggestion is that if you face any symptoms that are related to any ovarian cyst or any PCOD, any other gynecological diseases, first you have to control your diet. That mainly if you are taking too much glucose in your daily life, that will also increases the ovarian cyst growth. If you try to control this diet technique in your daily life, you can control your ovarian cyst growth at the beginning of the stage. I hope this video will helpful for you. I will see you on next day with next topic. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.